like this, it was falling out. So now, so there was a magnet here behind that holds this, here. You can see this in the camera? It's there. Like there's a magnet inside, supposed to touch here, but the magnet was loose. So we pulled off this part, we pulled it off very carefully because it can break, it's plastic. And then we pull the screwdriver all the way around to lift it. And then here, when you turn it around, we don't open it now because we fixed it. But here in the back, there's two little holes where the magnet should go. We put the magnets on, we took hot glue, glued it back on, and now you see, end of the product, it stays.